Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So in the weekend we talked a lot about a weekly pattern which we have on the dollar index and suggesting that the dollar should go higher if it will work properly, of course. But the problem stands here, or maybe not the problem, but some difficulties with the decision making on the point where you should take the position. Because weekly chart has really significant degree of the freedom in around and about the area and point where the trade could start. And from that, to decide this task, we have to keep an eye on lower time frames, trying to catch the right moment where it could happen. So recall that in the weekly report we said that on the daily chart we have bullish context and we do not have yet the clear signs of something bearish and this market is ready for reversal. Trend stands bullish, as you could see. Market shows tight consolidation right under the resistance and we have uncompleted XOP targets around 108.05, slightly above the confidence with this initial ABCD pattern. Additionally, we have this classic AB equals CD that stands approximately in the same area, 107.60, so 108.05. That's in general an area that we need to keep an eye on the daily chart. The tricky moment comes from the data that should be released this week, and it's lots of data, in particular speaking CPI numbers that we will get today. This will be also the PPI numbers, retail sales, and all of them could make impact on the performance. Currently, opinions absolutely different. For example, Bloomberg economists today suggest that CPI should be higher, should be released higher, and that could hold the Fed from the some dovish activity. So we put the link in the Telegram channel as usual. Other traders suggest that CPI should be weaker because the gas prices has dropped. So it's no real consensus around the current numbers. Our suggestion in general, not in relation to the current CPI numbers, but in general, we suggest that inflation will keep going higher, just on the fundamental background that we have currently in the United States and the European Union. So we will see. But at the same time, if we'll take a look at the technical side, once again, here, at least currently, we do not have clear bearish signs that could tell us that it's immediately we should have to take the short position. So here we keep the same strategy as we have discussed in the weekly report, that probably currently it makes sense to wait and see what will happen, because currently no real bearish signs exist. On the 4-hour time frame chart, markets now is breaking the triangle up, or at least to make attempt to do this. If, for instance, we will get fake breakout, for instance, on the CPI numbers, if it will be stronger, market immediately dive inside back in the triangle, that at least might be something that we could consider as possible bearish sign. And that suggests that triangle probably will be broken down. And from that standpoint, since this is dependent on the daily chart near the resistance, and if it will be broken in a wrong direction, this means in the opposite, because pennant in general the continuation pattern, that will be the context, the background that could tell us that indeed maybe market intends to go lower. On the other markets, we also do not see yet any problems with the overall setup, because take a look, here's euro currency could be rising also because of the minor bounce on the treasury bonds. Just minor retracement could start here, but in general we're considering this pattern. On the dollar index, the same points as well, so we can see just minor retracement here with the overall weekly grabber still well. So if market will drop below this lowest raising the grabber, yes, that will change the story. But at this point, when the market shows just a minor pullback, situation stands mostly the same. So that makes us to keep the overall context on the weekly chart the same. So we're watching for a point of the possible bearish reversal, but at the same time we're not hurry up with taking the position, because a market doesn't manifest itself yet on the bearish side. So On the hourly chart, here's what we have. You could see that it was pretty nice drops out from the 107 area that we have specified. So for first bounce is once again second bounce, but now market is going higher. Today I suppose that we could keep an eye on the nearest targets, so which we have actually AB equals CD around 107.18 fib level, and also we have initial ABCD XOP 107.24. So 107.18, 107.24, the nearest area to watch for what will happen here. If market will break it up, then we will have to consider something greater. On the hourly chart, it probably will be kind of the, I don't know, some double bottom or something that's around here, but mostly we will be watching in this case just targets that we have on the daily. This market just will return back here, so we need to watch what will happen around this area. So that's our opinion on the euro currency right now. As a bottom line, despite that we have bearish background on the high time frames, we do not see yet that moment for taking the short position. So we need to get some more signs of the possible bearish activity on the market. And that's why we prefer to not hurry up and see what will happen on the CPI numbers. So that's our view.